I was here at Waterloo, and I saw the divisions that were separating people.
First grade's theme is actually My Waterloo. And so our goal was to teach them as much about the rich history of Waterloo in first grade. And so we partnered with the Grout Museum, and they created a living history timeline of Waterloo. And so that was different stations that they could go to and they could learn about the history of Waterloo. They actually hired actors that came in and portrayed different characters that demonstrated the history of Waterloo so the kids could learn about that rich history that we have in Waterloo.
Yeah, that was actually honestly George's hat. He forgot it at a friend's house.
One of the things that's important to us was to build a sense of pride in students in Waterloo schools. I think they were fascinated to learn, oh wow, this was right here in Waterloo.
I'm learning about war here.
So often they feel like they're coming from a deficit because they are in Waterloo schools, and that's not true. And so we really wanted them to get out and learn about the community and learn about all things Waterloo.